Hi friends, welcome to Engineering Clinic. So today we are going to see the addition of a solid state drive SSD NVMe M.2 SSD into my MotoBook 60, which I have recently purchased. So the MotoBook 60 we have opened it, and inside that, since Moto is directly managed by Lenovo for all the warranty claims and everything, so they have given one more provision for adding the SSD. So we have just opened it, and we have around there were around five screws. Two screws were of different category, and the remaining three were a different category. And so that's how we have just opened the MotoBook. Now we can see this is one SSD, a small SSD what we have, and we have another SSD for a provision. So this is the SSD what we have. So now we have purchased one Western Digital 580 model of 500 GB. Since the SSDs now are very demand in the market because of the shortage of availability. So this is the SSD what we got. Now this is what we are going to fix it up. So you can fix it up. So inside the SSD, they have not given the screw, so we have to have a screw for that. So we have included a screw also. We have taken the screw from outside, and then we have just included that as well. And once it is done, we have two SSDs, each of 512 GB storage. So one is of 512 GB and another is of 500 GB storage. And now this is where we have this is the battery, and this is the CPU one with the fan and everything, and this is a Wi-Fi driver, and the total assembly, and this is the SSD what they have. So it is a small in size, and it's so small, and this is what already been there, and this is what actually we have added the SSD here. So which we called as a M.2 SSD NVMe 2280. So I'll be giving the link below, so that you can able to click the link and then purchase it. And in the next couple of years, the price of SSD will still be increasing because of the demand in the market. If you wanted to upgrade now, you can do the upgradation of itself. And once after that, once we log in it, so whatever we have added already, that becomes disk 0, and what is already was there, it becomes disk 1. So disk 1, you can see I have already installed Windows for 300 GB and 100 GB for storing some of my files, and remaining 100 GB for Ubuntu. So most of the times I'll be working only on the Ubuntu operating system, so I cannot able to simply give 100 GB for that. So I just wanted to have one more 500 GB SSD into this. So further I have just added here 467 GB. Shortly I'll be installing Ubuntu in this SSD. Thanks for watching my video, and if any queries or any doubts, please ask in the comments, and please subscribe to my channel, and you can see similar kind of videos in my channel. And thanks for watching. Thank you.